Doing this way elongated. How do you say that? You know what? Don't ignore my room. It's really messy. My room is right now not the bestest, okay? Don't judge it. I'm not gonna judge you if you had a dirty room. Don't judge it. I just woke up not so long ago, so because I need to post this, it's been forever actually. The crazy thing is, like, I need to post this immediately already, you know? So this is like long needed in a way. Okay, how do I look in the sun? Because the thing is, like, I don't want to edit this and be like, oh, delete that instantly, you know? Let me just check really quickly. Okay, this is like long needed. It's like, okay, my room is dirty, like I said, so ignore it. But this is kind of like a long needed post in a way. This is actually, it's funny, I won't lie. To be real with you guys, this video actually needed to be filmed in November 2023. Late November, like around Thanksgiving, maybe like almost December, beginning of December. I was like, you know what, I'll record it December 1st and I'll upload it December 14th. Being generous, giving myself 14 days to edit. It is currently February 3rd, as in filming, and yeah, I'm obviously, this is just clothes. Honestly, I don't even know how to, like, the beginning, there's like clips. Okay, either this is the video, this video is gonna start with this, or it's gonna start with the clips earlier. So if you're now watching, hello, thank you, my name is Erik. Thanks for joining my channel. Honestly, I don't really like having openers like, oh my god, hi, my name is Erik. Like, I feel like if you guys already just know, you just know, you know. It's funny because I know where that is coming from. If you saw my vlog, which it should be before this. Also, sorry I'm like speaking kind of gibberish. I just kind of woke up not too long ago. This video, and then I'm gonna get in and out, so I'm excited. So that's why I'm recording this little video really quickly, hopefully. Also, yeah, ignore my. Okay. We are starting off with this package, which is medium. It's a medium. Oh my god, $228, you guys. Hold on. Never see this video is because I felt so trashy that I just didn't want to upload it. But, you know, whatever. Like I said, $228 for this. I mean, like, look at the packaging. Like, where is even, like, you know, like, where? I actually haven't unboxed. It's crazy because I haven't unboxed it for 3 years. I was going to say 3 years. I mean, January, December, like 2 months. 3 months in a way, maybe? 2 months? Okay, whatever. That's the first crazy. I know, I'm crazy too. I mean, leave me alone, okay? But, what the hell did I even buy? Calvin Klein underwear. You guys, okay. Just a reminder. I already used one. So I'm just gonna use the underwear, you know, because these I don't have an occasion of wearing those. Whatever. I was gonna say the price, but like I just want to let you guys know. I did get a discount because it was near Thanksgiving, so I did get a discount because I would not spend this much money on a pair of underwear. I really wouldn't. So, like, I could have been like, oh, you know, this is how much I paid for it. No, I didn't, you know. So, future me, if you're watching this, or, you know, even in 10 years or something, and you're looking at this and you might be like, Erik, why did you spend that much money? I think everything was on discount. I hope. This was definitely on discount because I would not spend this much. $47.50 for three pair. I'm not gonna show you how the underwear looks because you guys you already got the grips of it. I don't even know where the other stuff are because like this has been like, oh, I'm gonna show you guys this. My dad got me this. I don't know where he got it from. Honestly, my dad brings stuff. I don't even know where it comes from. I'm just like, oh, sick, you know, cool, rad, you know. But tell me, I don't know. I hope this. Yeah. It's this. Get a little close up. Look at that. Cute. It's a 2024 like calendar. Am I ever gonna use it? No. But is it kind of cute and aesthetically pleasing? Yes. So I might hang it up somewhere in my crazy room. I don't really have space anymore. Everywhere is kind of covered with something, so I don't know where I would put this. But yeah, kind of cute, right? The sweater cost $89.50. Then again, I think I got a discount, which I hope I did because at this point. This is like almost so. Okay, this is $85. So in total, this should be, that's 47, 80. You guys, I'm not gonna like be a calculator and do this, but I'm gonna estimate it. And if you guys don't calculate it, please, because it's gonna be far off. Please don't calculate it. 85 plus 40, 90, 100, 120. What is this again? This is 89, 120, 100. That's 200 basically. Well, that's 210 basically. And then 210 plus 228 equals 438. No, I don't know, 440. Let's just say that, you know, $440 for 4 things. Oh, that's crazy. Part of this. Let's just unbox it. I've been waiting through. So you know what? I'm gonna unbox it with whatever. Let me just open it. Let's start with this one because I feel like I know what this is. Should I hang it up? I should hang it up because this has been in my room for like ever. Okay, why am I not showing you guys? Hold on. Look at this. And I can't even return this if you think about it, because dude, I took forever to open it. I can't return it. Oh, you see it, dude? Also, don't ignore my outfit. Like I said, I'm wearing like trashy, not trashy, but like this is like this is why it's ripped. I think it's ripped. No, this one's not ripped, surprisingly. Okay, well, I have some that are ripped, the same Hollister. I was in my Hollister phase in middle school. I'm not anymore. I've never actually been to a Hollister since middle school, so I don't really know how their clothes are, you know. But I don't really shop there anymore. I mean, I used to in middle school. So if you're a middle schooler and you shop at Hollister, even if you're an adult and you shop at Hollister, period. I just never been there. You know what I mean? Like maybe I'll fall in love. I just don't go in there. Like it's not like, oh, let me go in there. You know what I mean? Also, this is all Calvin Klein. Just if you're wondering, everything's Calvin Klein, underwear and everything, all that. Whatever. This is the shirt. This costs. So I already said it costed. What does it cost? $85, and it's a medium. So if you $85, it's a medium. This is how it looks. It's kind of giving grayish. It's giving, you know, going to like somewhere fancy. It's kind of like, it's actually perfect for me, I think, because like, okay, well, hold on. It's kind of like perfect for me though, because I feel like I like this color. And I feel like I don't really have anything grayish, you know. I would say like gray is not really a color I rock. So, you know, I'm just gonna hang it up because at this point I don't have time for this, you know. This has been in the works for 3 months. It's crazy. And honestly, what if this video never sees the day of light? If this video doesn't see the day of light, I'll be kind of annoyed because like this is why I'm kind of like not annoyed, but like I'm making this video because tell me, like, how are you gonna tell me that I for 3 months did not open these packages because I wanted to film it, and I'm just gonna open it on a casual Wednesday night? You know what I mean? Today's February 3rd, which is a Friday. Like I said, I'm getting in and out after this. Also, sorry if I'm talking a lot. I just feel like I want to ramble. Wow, I'm rambling a lot. Also, I just want to talk about my favorite YouTubers, just to like put it out there in the world, you know. I have an Instagram notification I could see, but it doesn't leave, so it's like stuck there. Whatever. Am I recording? Yes, I am. Oh my god, that scared me. So this is kind of the vibe. You know, I was actually originally gonna unbox this and do like a voiceover. Also, I'm not feeling the best day, so don't judge me. Just if you're a judging person, don't be here, point blank, you know? Next up, let's just get into it. Okay, this is actually, I would return this. Oh my god, I would return this. Like, if I opened this 3 months ago, I would have returned this. Is this blue or black? I could not tell. Honestly, the lighting from that flash thing is, like, blinding me, you know? Also, should I open the window? I don't think the window will make a difference. Should I low-key, high-key? I don't know. This is the jacket. It's giving very just casual. It's giving very much, like, casual, you know, going out, like very just casualness. It's very like, sorry, I'm just trying to do my thumbnail. 2 things we have so far. Like, you would say, Eric, what is your style? Is it fancy? Also, these are so raggedy, or is it just me? I don't know. What do you say, Eric? Are you fancy, or are you more like, you know, Billie Eilish type esque? I would say I'm more Billie Eilish type esque. I'm not very a fancy person. Honestly, the reason I bought that hoodie, I mean not the hoodie, the fancy jacket, is because I was actually supposed to go somewhere. I forgot where I was supposed to go. I don't know. But let's just get into the point. You're not even here for this, but I'm here for this because tell me why this costs $228. Like I said, I'm pretty sure it was on discount because I wouldn't. Oh my god. What the heck? This is like iconic. Wait, it's so big though. Oh my god, wait. It's kind of big though. Wait, is this small or medium? It's a medium, that's why. I don't think this is gonna shrink either. What? But bro, this feels like $228. Like, I won't lie, this feels. I hope you guys can see all of it. Like, make sure to look at the details. Look at the Calvin Klein. Do you guys see that? Jeez, where does it say Calvin Klein right there? It's very small. It's very, you know. Like, why would I lie about that? Focus, bro. Whatever. Honestly, I mean, people need to realize that I actually don't. Why am I lying, Eric? Like, you don't even use discounts. This is the only time you probably use a discount. Like, why am I lying to myself, you know? But I will say, people that use discounts, like, that do tactics, like, that go to expensive places and get discounts, you're smart. Love you. I love you. Whatever. Besides that, this is the outfit. I mean, this is not the outfit. This is the jacket. Honestly, you guys, I'm in love. Honestly. It's kind of big, though. I won't lie. I'm going to check it off camera. I'm not going to try it on. Okay, look. You see, I could do, like, a try-on video. Like, eventually. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want to try stuff on, you guys. Although I could and I should, but, you know, I'm not going to waste my time doing this. Honestly, if you want to... No, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm not gonna try this on. If you guys want to see like a not a try on video, but like an outfit video, almost like Emma Chamberlain where she did like her try on video. Also, I'm stepping on so much stuff right now. You don't even know what I'm stepping on. I don't even want to see what I'm stepping on because I hear glass. No, I don't hear glass, but I hear like something that will probably break. You know, whatever. This is the thing. Wait, these are like the 3 things and the underwear, but I mean, like, love you. Okay, whatever. These are the things I got. Sorry, I was just trying to film a thumbnail. Okay, whatever. Point blank, this is iconic. I love this. Honestly, I would say my favorite is this. This is my favorite, and then I think the jacket. I think the Calvin Klein, the regular black jacket, probably my least favorite. It's very just casual, you know. But this is love. I love this. I love this stawp. Honestly, like look at this, you guys. And please hype me up in the comments. Although it looks so big. You know what? I don't really care. I like to wear baggy stuff. Like I said, I prefer baggy stuff. Oh my god. Also, tell me, guys, this is not cute. Like, look at this. Like, look how cute this is. My sister, I don't know where she got it from, honestly. I don't know. But look how cute this is. And it's inside it has, like, hay. I don't know if you saw that, but, like, look. And I was thinking about, like, what I could put in there and I could have it as a decor. You know what I mean? Like, ooh, I love it. You know, this, I don't know if you guys seen this. Because if you don't follow my Instagram, you really don't know what this is about. But, like, this is cute. Like, it's giving, this is actually the banner of my YouTube. I don't know if you guys pay attention to that. If you guys do, love you to death, for real. I'm just yapping, you guys. Honestly, I'm yapping. I literally have, oh my god, I'm stepping on my fanny pack. Like, look at my fanny pack. I've been stepping on this the whole video. See, I don't even use that. I only use that when I go out by myself and I have to carry cash or something, you know? But this is the outfit. I'm gonna go show my brother right now, actually. But, like, at the end of the day, okay, I'm sorry I'm rambling. Sorry, like, I know. But, honestly, I won't lie. My videos are very, like, kind of like, my other videos are very kind of, like, not talking to you guys. And I just want to talk. Like, this is like my talk. You know, I might call it. I might caption this just talk. You know, whatever. Oh, you know what? I was gonna say this for another video, but I'm just gonna rant. I was playing Roblox not so long ago, and I was playing on my Xbox, and there was this girl named Unicorn. I just want to rant about it. Honestly, I already ran into my friends about this, but I want to rant to you guys because, like, I just want to let you guys know what I was going through. You know, like 2 days ago, I was playing Roblox, and like this girl, her name was Unicorn, and like I said, I get it. You know, like. You might be young. Clearly, your name is Unicorn. Like, you're not older than 10. You know what I mean? I get that. You know what I mean? But it's like, if you lack common sense, don't play. Like, don't play. Like, don't play. Because, like, my thing is, like, how are you, like, it says throw the teammate to the left. You're throwing me to Antarctica. You know? Like, you know what I mean? Like, it doesn't say Antarctica. And if it did say Antarctica, you can't read that. So, like, don't throw me all the way over there. You know what I mean? It's just so annoying, dude. Like, I never have felt so much hatred against a game. I don't even get road rage. Sorry, not road rage. I barely drive, but like I do actually drive. Let me not say that because I do drive. I'm professional. Whatever. Besides that, I was just saying like I don't even get mad at games. Like honestly, if you kill me, I like laugh. I laugh it off. I scream. Like I get scared. You know what I mean? Never have I ever felt angry over somebody. Like I literally was like. I couldn't do anything. If they had the option of me texting in Xbox, like me texting them, I would have went off. And I would have went off. That's all I gotta say. Because I like to go off on people in text messages, you know? But besides that, I lost to you guys. I literally was gonna like, how bad do you have to be? You know what I mean? Like, if you're a bot, don't play. Like, if you can't read, don't play. If you lack common sense, don't play. You know what I mean? Like, honestly... Like, if you just can't read, don't play. Like, it's that simple, you know? I'll rant to you guys more. I want to start a podcast. Obviously, I'm joking. I'm not going to start a podcast unless I go freaking insanely viral, which, you know, don't want me to go insanely viral. So, you know, whose fault is it really? Your fault, you know? So, yeah. Besides the point, yeah, a vlog 1, 2, 3. Vlog 4 should come out before this video, so I'll see you guys after that. Which is sad because I could talk about vlog 4 that's coming up. I'm actually still editing it. Crazy. I should actually upload it tomorrow because tomorrow's Saturday. And like again, I'm gonna tell you guys right now a little secret. YouTube is gonna be let me like monetize my channel tomorrow. Like, you know what I mean? Like, request it. Last time I requested, they said I was reused content. Girl, well, reused content. Like, let's be real. Where is the reused content at? You know? I think the reason why they didn't like that, like they didn't accept me, is because I had 2 videos that were on my page that were my videos, but like they had the TikTok logo. So I think that's why they didn't like it, because I saw their like stuff and what they say, and they said like you can't post something from a different social media, you know. So like, oh darn, you know. So now this time I'm gonna hopefully get accepted. If I don't, YouTube, you're gonna hear from me for real. You're gonna hear from me on all platforms if I don't get accepted. I'm not threatening you guys though. Love you guys to death, honestly. Love the boss. Besides that, life has been going good. Honestly, I went to Jaden's party not so long ago. His birthday was January 28th. It was really good. It's actually not going to be in the vlog 4. I might include it if my vlog 4 is kind of short, just to make it longer. But I just got to say, like, that party was... It wasn't a party. It was like a gathering. It was like 10 of us. It was really sweet. Honestly, I got to see a lot of people that I haven't seen for a while. And it was really sweet. And it was, like, lovely. And I loved it. And it was so much fun. Follow my TikTok if you want to see some videos. Follow my Instagram if you want to see some videos. I posted actually a post not too long ago. But yeah, all my socials are the same as YouTube. Everywhere really, it's my same username. You know. I find it cringe. Besides that, I'm rambling. Honestly, I might be annoyed with myself in this video, so I might not even upload this video because I feel like I might look annoying. Not even annoying, just like Erik, shut up. You know what I mean? Because I don't talk like this a lot. You know. But yeah, besides the point, this is the end of the video. Yeah, life is going good. I feel like I haven't talked to you guys for a while, so that's why I'm just rambling. I know, like, why am I rambling? I might as well just, like, start a podcast or, like, talk to you guys and upload more videos, you know? That's my goal this year. I know I've been, like, lacking, but, yeah. Love you guys to death, honestly. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to, like, honestly, like, if you guys can, if you're watching this and you just, like, really love me and support me, like, make an edit or, like, record a version of, like, record a little part of the video that you liked, which... I'm happy and so honored to have the little things I have right now, but you know, to expand it and have more people become part of the army, you know, one day, you know. But yeah, the Grammys is in 2 days technically. Yeah, it's 2 days, February 4th, and I'm so excited. Like, I'm like dying. I'm scared, you know. And also I'm excited for February 5th. If you know, you know. I don't really want to say because a lot of people don't know, and if you do know, it's something that's very mature of me to do February 5th, and it's almost like it's a new leaf in life, you know. If you know, you know. If you don't, I'll let you know eventually. But yeah, besides that, this cool jacket, you know, and yeah, love you guys. Honestly, this is another video. I'm gonna get in and out and enjoy life because life is beautiful. Remember that, you know. Licensed therapist here.